Okay, this is Cyberman. I made this account for English. I made this account to English videos, YouTube videos, and then I make one video where I speak about masturbation. So YouTube motherfuckers, they deleted my account. And now I think that if YouTube motherfuckers deleted my account, it's me time to go away from this motherfucker YouTube video bullshit. And now, if now 10 minutes ago I jerk off, I masturbated, and I watch blowjobs, I masturbated. It was very nice indeed. It was very nice, and I just have one message to YouTube, guys. Fuck you, YouTube.